The answer is a blanket prevents air or oxygen from getting to the fire. Number 6. Give one situation when water should not be used to put out a fire. Beta, water should not be used to put out a fire in case of electrical fire. Number 7. Suggest why firefighters wear breathing apparatus when entering a burning building. It is because beta, there will be little oxygen and a lot of carbon dioxide in a burning building. Question number 10. The table shows the result of some chemical reactions between some metals and some solutions of metal salts. Beta, metals are magnesium, lead, copper and silver, and the solutions to which metal is added: magnesium chloride, lead nitrate, copper sulfate, silver nitrate. Magnesium, when put in a solution of magnesium chloride, no reaction. When it is put in a solution of lead nitrate, reaction occurs. Magnesium reacts with copper sulfate and silver nitrate also. Lead, in magnesium chloride, no reaction. Lead nitrate, no reaction. Lead react with copper sulfate and silver nitrate. Copper, in magnesium chloride, no reaction. Lead nitrate, no reaction. Copper sulfate, no reaction. Silver nitrate, reaction. Copper react in solution of silver nitrate only. Silver, in magnesium chloride, no reaction. In lead nitrate, no reaction. In copper sulfate, no reaction. In silver nitrate, no reaction. Silver does not react with any of these solutions. Question number 1. A. Which is the most reactive metal? We can see from this table that magnesium is the most reactive metal. Magnesium is the most reactive metal. B. Which is the least reactive metal? Silver is the least reactive metal. A student is trying to identify an unknown metal X. When X is placed in copper sulfate solution, there is a reaction and red-brown copper falls to the bottom of the test tube. When X is placed in magnesium chloride, nothing happens. Give 2 suggestions for the identity of metal X. Beta, the metal X may be magnesium and lead. How could the student find the true identity of metal X? Put X into the solution of lead nitrate. Magnesium will react, lead will not react. Number 3. These are examples of displacement reaction. Explain what does this mean. Beta, displacement reactions, during you have to write down the definition of displacement reactions, that during displacement reactions one substance pushes out another to take its place. Thank you.